Orbit's B-hyve Smart line of products is changing the way that the world waters. The B-hyve Smart Indoor-Outdoor Sprinkler Timer is a great upgrade for any sprinkler system. Inside the box, you will find the sprinkler timer with its weatherproof case and the hardware that you need to install it in your system. Installing the timer is as easy as fastening it to the wall with the included hardware, and then connecting the wires for your existing zones. Next, download the app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, and when you open it, it will find your B-hyve timer and walk you through setup, including connecting your timer to your Wi-Fi network. The app will walk you through the configuration of each of your watering zones. But you can also make manual adjustments to your settings using the buttons on the timer itself. The timer is now ready to manage your sprinkler system and will optimize watering times for each of the zones in your system. The B-hyve also connects directly to local weather data and adjusts your watering schedule automatically to ensure that the right amount of water is delivered to your plants. It does all the work, allowing you to sit back and enjoy the results. If you do want to manually water a specific zone or your entire lawn, you can easily control the system from the B-hyve app, or with your voice using either a Google Home or Amazon Alexa-enabled device. The B-hyve Smart Indoor-Outdoor Sprinkler Timer, changing the way the world waters.